Hi there. So guys, today I'm in the university and I'm gonna share with you what I'm going to do in the second day of learning Java programming to give you a better idea on your way and to share my experiences with you. Maybe it can be helpful for you. So let's check it out. So guys, definitely the first step in learning something is learning the concept of the basics. There are some like concept in the basic of programming, specifically Java, that we should learn to have a better idea and the learning process become much faster. One of them would be like there are different type of languages, machine languages and high-level programming languages. Java is a high-level one. Machine languages are the languages who it's a language of computer. It's 0 and 1, so it's hard for a human to use it and work with it. That's actually the language of the machine. But we use high-level languages to talk to the machine and tell them what to do. And the machine, the actually applications that we do and the things that we do to write the codes, they will change that language, the high-level languages, to the machine languages to be readable by the machine. So we use actually called IDEs that they will change our languages to the machine languages. So the next things that I think is something that you should learn, as you see, this is an example of the machine language. And we have syntax error, logic error. If you are writing a code and we have some errors with writing and punctuation stuff, it will be a syntax error or the logic error. And when there is a syntax error, the problem is the program will not run. But when there's a logic error, we have logic error, the actually program will run, but the output is not what we are expecting. But we have to find a way to debug it. It means to actually solve that problem, that error. And the last thing that I want to share just here is we call this Java programming object-oriented programming. So this is a kind of programming that you can create classes. In each class create objects. So creating object give you different benefits. One of the benefits of the object-oriented programming, as you see here, says computer simulations and graphical user interface that is easier to use. So it has different benefits that you can just search about it and read more. But there are three basic concepts about the and benefit of object-oriented programming. It's called polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. So these three things are kind of most important features of object-oriented programming. So I asked the main important question from the ChatGPT to explain it in a different way that you can ask, and it will be definitely easier to understand. So machine language, explain this the language of the machine, which is hard for human to interact with. And the syntax error and logic error, syntax error are those like forgetting to close parentheses, omitting a semicolon or something like that. But the logic error are the errors that like incorrectly structure loops or improperly designed algorithms, those kind of stuff that you have to find a way to debug it. And again, explaining OOP, object-oriented programming, which is a language that explains how it works to create objects in the classes and has three main features. Encapsulation, which means is very related to the privacy and of the Java, which makes Java a very secure programming language. And inheritance, which you can use classes or objects. We can write them in the classes once, but you can use them in different places. And polymorphism, so the ability of the object to different classes to be treated as if they were the same type of object. So these are some of the basics concepts that you can just follow up on and learn more about these basics. I'm gonna study more and share more with you.